Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. According to Vastu Shastra, the southwest direction is owned by a demon called Nairuthi and its corresponding planet is Rahu. That is why southwest is considered an inauspicious direction. The southwest is the strongest direction in the plot as it stores magnetic energies flowing in from the northeast. If used properly, this direction can give you a strong, healthy life, confidence, wealth, fame, and health. However, incorrect usage of the southwest can result in serious problems for the family. These include major losses in finances, behavioral issues like depression, anxiety, and suicidal feelings, loss of energy at the workplace, and even problems relating to the conception within a family.
A kitchen in the southwest section of the house burns the positive energies that need to be accumulated in this corner. This may result in problems related to reputation and fame for the family. To remove this Vastu dosh, create a secondary kitchen in the southeast. It will help balance the flow of energy. However, for it to work, you must cook something in that secondary kitchen every day. Additionally, you should paint your kitchen yellow and place the gas stove in the southeast corner. If your toilet is in the southwest direction of your house, Vastu Shastra recommends keeping its doors closed at all times and always keep two big camphor cubes in toilet window. By doing this, you will be able to stop negative energy from flowing into the living spaces of your home. Make sure that the southwestern wall or the corner of the house do not have any cracks, as this would cause health problems and consequent increase in expenditure towards the medical treatment. The southwest is the place for a master bedroom, as one is always safe and happy in this part of the house. The owner of this bedroom enjoys both good health and wealth. Make sure that the master of the house occupies the bedroom here. If it is given to the son or daughter, especially one who is newly married, it may create family problems. Since the southwest bedroom is very strong with dominating suggestions, it can cause clashes between the mother in law and the daughter in law. Cash and valuables stored in the southwest are stable and long lasting. As such, it is a good idea to place the cash drawer of the business unit or shop in this corner. As per the basic principles of Vastu Shastra, south to southwest direction is the region of the earth element, which means it is the region of stability, which can be mental, physical, social, professional, or financial. Place Om, Trishul, and Swastik symbols on the sides and tops of all doors in the house. To increase positivity, you can also place Vastu pyramids, plants, and wind chimes around the entrance of your home. You could paste Gayatri Mantra also. At the entrance, if you have an empty wall, you can place a statue or picture of Ganesha. Also, one needs to pay attention to the numbers of doors and windows inside the house. They should be even in number. Choose the red color in the south, yellow in south, southwest, and peach or pink in southwest. You should always keep heavy materials like cupboards, washing machines, and sofas in the southwest area of your home. Placing them in the right location can help you avoid accumulating negativity inside your home. If you have south and southwest entrance, you should create open spaces in the northeast area of your home. It creates a free flow of positive energy. Additionally, large spaces in the southwest area of your home can cause harm, so you should avoid them. Construct an overhead water tank in the southwest side of the house. Doing this balances the energy that surrounds your house. However, you should never place an underground water tank in the southwest corner of your home. If you want to know more about south and southwest facing door or entrance, then watch our previous video. It will definitely help you to remove Vastu Dosh. The link of the video is given in the description.
That is all for today. If you liked the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.